The community services fair showcase all what students need to be successful in the great city of Sudbury. All the students can find what they need to feel welcome, supported, and familiar with all this amazing community.
Yeah, it's so easy. So basically there are two options. You can just visit to the bank and you can just ask them, I want to open a student bank account, or you can also book an online appointment and accordingly you can visit them and you can ask them how you can open a student bank account. So this is different for student and the normal people, like say domestic and international student, which country you belongs. So it depends.
Well, opening the first account in Canada is quite very important, so that they can gather their documents and visit their nearest branch to get it done. So they have to provide 2 pieces of identification or photo ID, like their passport, their study permit or work permit, or social insurance number. So they can come with any 2 pieces of identification to open their accounts. The process takes around 30 to 45 minutes generally. We can apply, we can open the accounts like checking and saving, and we can also apply the student credit card for them to start building history in Canada.
I really feel it amazing because they're associated with different cultures, from Arabic, from Middle East, and also from India, Bangladesh, and also the Canadian. And they also have different programs to connect with communities. So for the newcomers too. Apart from that, they're also having the French classes. That's what I just, they were explaining us. And also they're conducting special events and connecting with the communities. So that's what I love about. I felt a warm welcome, apart from the family, being away from the family, and very overwhelming for me. It's amazing.
Well, we send some information like flyers or posters to the international department. If the international students know about us, they come to our office mostly for translation services of their documents. As far as I know, we're the only agency that we do translations of documents. And there's a small fee. The delegate groups, our members, they have an event going on. We send all to our contact members, let them know that maybe a Caribbean group might be having a festival, and we put that all out in social media or our international student contacts. Any event we have that's coming on that would benefit international students, like workshops, entail housing, financial assistance. We also have referrals, language classes, volunteer services.
Already tried the soccer because we have a soccer ground in Cambrian, which I love it. It's really big, and I already play sports in my home country. So I think soccer is one of the best sports you can try in the Sudbury. Even in the winter time, we have different activities, and in the summertime, we have different activities. So there are many options which people can try in sports other than soccer too. So we have ice hockey and if other activities you want to try in winter.
Parks and Rec with the City of Greater Sudbury, and we get to do all the fun things. So we're the parks, the trails, the beaches, the arenas, the pools, you name it, we're everything. So you can get out if you go to our website, parksandrec at greatersudbury.ca/play. You can see all the free skates, free swims, the schedules for everything, and there's absolutely information there to help everyone get active. So that's how Cambrian students or anybody in the community can stay active in Sudbury.
Yeah, it's very good. I came in 2024. From that time, it's very easy to reach everywhere, especially college, especially for the newcomers, for the students. They can get information like how we can go anywhere, because most of the people come from the other countries. It's very difficult to reach on the new places. So it's a beneficial for all of us.
This, but first of all, it's a bundle from transit. We have the new bus sign board which has the barcode on it. You can scan that and you can have all the information there rather than asking anybody else. This is the best information you can get from these barcodes. There's no need to be shy. You can ask anybody. Everybody's there to help you out.
Just realized right now here that the library actually offers like a lot of like, you know, services like equipment for students and things like that. I feel like it's actually great. Like I'm a new student and actually seeing like, you know, like the library here like giving information makes me feel better and more comfortable in using the library.
Great question. So I think there are plenty of opportunities for international students when you get a public library card. So first off, you get to connect with the community. You might not be familiar with Greater Sudbury, and so it allows you to participate in programs or just even use the space. Sometimes when you're a student, you get stuck in sort of school, home, and the library offers you just an extra space to visit. Not only that, but we have digital materials that you can access if you're really busy. You don't have to come into the public library to use them. But if you do get some time off and you want to visit a public library, we have tons of physical items that you can check out and bring home and use and enjoy. And if ever you have any questions, the library is just a really friendly space, and the staff there are always willing and wanting to help. So some extra features that you might not think about when you think of public library. We have plenty of 3D items that are in use. So in the summer, we have tennis rackets, fishing rods, outdoor items so that you can rent and use. So Yardsy, Texas horseshoes. We also have in the winter snowshoes that you can rent out. Don't forget also about the makerspace, which is located at the main library. So 3D printers, button makers, Cricut, cutter, and all of that is free to use. So definitely worth checking out as well.
So to a new student in Sudbury, I would say that here at Greater Sudbury Police Service, we're here to protect and support you in our community. We encourage you to reach out if you ever need anything from us as a police service, and we also encourage you to get involved in the community. We have volunteer programs as well as student opportunities in the summer. Welcome to Cambrian, to the new Sudbury community.